Imagine this. You've launched your dropshipping store, picked a trending product, and finally made your first sale. But then, weeks go by, and the customer still hasn't received their order. They leave a 1-star review. They demand a refund. Your ads become unprofitable. And just like that, your business is dead. Want to avoid this nightmare? You need fast shipping and reliable suppliers. Today, I'll show you the top dropshipping suppliers that will get your products delivered fast while keeping your profits high. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a secret supplier most beginners ignore, but it could 10x your margins. Why most dropshipping stores fail. Here's the brutal truth. 90% of dropshippers fail because of bad suppliers. They rely on AliExpress, where shipping takes 30+ days. Customers hate waiting that long, and refunds will eat your profits alive. If you're still using AliExpress alone, you're leaving thousands on the table. But don't worry, I've done the research and found the best suppliers for fast shipping, high-quality products, and automation, so you can scale like a pro. CJ Dropshipping, the AliExpress killer. Shipping time, 7 to 15 days. Why it's great. Warehouses in the US, EU, and China. Lower product costs than AliExpress automated order fulfillment equals no manual work. If you want next-day shipping for USA customers, look for CJ Dropshipping's USA warehouse products. Spocket, premium US and EU suppliers. Shipping time, 2 to 7 days. Why it's great. Massive selection of US and EU suppliers. Higher quality products, just fewer refunds and chargebacks. Perfect for fashion, beauty, and home decor niches. If you want to build a premium dropshipping brand, Spocket is a must. Zendrop, dropshippers' secret weapon. Shipping time, 5 to 15 days. Why it's great. Automated order processing, Asha saves time. Faster shipping than AliExpress, 24/7 customer support. If you're serious about scaling, Zendrop's automation tools make your life easy. DSers, the smarter way to use AliExpress shipping, time 5 to 20 days, varies by supplier. Why it's great, bulk order processing equals faster fulfillment. AliExpress official partner equals faster than regular AliExpress. Find cheaper alternatives to trending products. DSers lets you compare multiple AliExpress suppliers at once, so you can choose the fastest and cheapest option. AutoDS, the ultimate automation tool. Shipping time varies by supplier, US warehouses available. Why it's great, automated price and stock updates. Supports multiple suppliers, Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, etc. AI-powered product research. If you're ready to go big and automate everything, AutoDS is a game changer. Secret supplier most beginners ignore. Okay, you've seen the top suppliers, but let me tell you a secret most beginners miss. USA Drop, the fastest US-based dropshipping supplier. USA shipping time, 1 to 5 days fastest. Why it's great, ships from the USA. No long wait times, high-quality products, more repeat customers, massive profit margins, fewer competitors. Most dropshippers are competing in the same saturated AliExpress market. If you want to win, use USA Drop for ultra-fast shipping and higher conversion rates. The scaling strategy, how to use these suppliers to 10x profits. Choosing the right supplier is just the first step. Here's how to maximize profits with them. Strategy number 1, use multiple suppliers checkmark. Use Spocket or Zendrop for US and EU fast shipping. CJ Dropshipping for budget-friendly global shipping. DSers for comparing AliExpress prices and delivery times. AutoDS for automation and scaling. USA Drop for premium 1 to 5 day US shipping. Strategy number 2, negotiate bulk discounts checkmark. Once you hit 20+ orders per day, ask your supplier for lower prices. Strategy number 3, offer express shipping as a paid option. Customers will pay extra for faster delivery, so give them the option. Now you have the ultimate supplier list for fast shipping and high profits. But here's the thing, if you're not negotiating with suppliers, you're losing money. Want to learn how to get better shipping rates and higher profit margins? Watch my next video where I break down how to negotiate with suppliers like a pro. Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more learning videos.